This is how to connect a current transformer for energy monitoring to an Arduino. The CT conditioner is an interface connecting the current transformer and the Arduino board. The CT clamp is a current transformer for measuring AC currents. It connects to the CT conditioner with a jack connector. All Arduino boards are compatible. We are using an Arduino Uno in this video. On the other end, the Arduino is connected with 3 wires. One for ground to ground, another one for VCC to 5 volts, and the last one from the output to an analog input. We are using analog 0 here. The current transformer clamps on a single phase of the installation to monitor. Our online documentation provides more information about the CT conditioner. Here there is a programming example for the Arduino. The library for the conditioner is available here. You can easily load this library in the Arduino IDE using the Add Zip library tool in the menu. You are now able to copy the sketch example from our documentation. Then simply paste it in the IDE. In the menus, select the correct board and serial port. You can then compile and upload the sketch to the Arduino. The Arduino will then output the reading immediately. The serial monitor shows the value of the RMS current in ampere. Please take a look at the links in the description to explore more about the CT conditioner. Thank you for watching.